Hi friends, you want to get a high score in this game? Block Plus, good, you are in the right place. If you want to get a high score, just tap settings, then, then play again until you get this score 3 by 3. Then just put in,
Wow.
put that like that and that like that. Then your score will be high and high. Stay do this many times until you get a very high score. Just watch now how did my score will be very high. Great, now you get the idea. Just do it by yourself. If you like this video, just subscribe, like and comment.